Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Well, today we are here at Radisson Blue Dwarka. We are here for National Prestige Awards 2026. Today, they are going to receive the award. And to present the award, we have Mr. Tushar Kapoor himself, who is going to join us, and we are super excited to meet him. So let's get it started. Quality Excellence in Furniture Manufacturing Company. The category Quality Excellence in Furniture Manufacturing Company 2026 award goes to Khan Traders. May I request Mr. Rizwan Siddiqui to kindly come forward.